I literally cannot breathe. I'm talking so fast. Oh my goodness, I love it. Hey guys, and welcome to this week's Fab and Five. This is actually going to be my monthly faves. It is a little bit short, sweet, and we don't even have any flops this month. So if you're interested in finding out what I loved this month, then keep on watching. The products that I got from this collection actually blew me away. For some reason, really caught my eye. It really performed well for me, and I absolutely fell in love with it. Oh my goodness, I love it. So this is the Off Melrose collection. So the first fave of the month is the Off Melrose Colourpop eyeshadow palette. Number one, I absolutely love every single thing about this packaging. The different textures, LA, like palm tree kind of theme. I love the color scheme to it. I don't know, there's something about this packaging. I'm in love with it. And then when you take a look at the actual palette, it's absolutely stunning as well. The richness and the variety of the different browns, but it also has some pops of fun in there, which is exactly what I look for in an eyeshadow palette. I want the basics, something to create an everyday look. They provide you with enough mattes and with enough transition shades to create a really simple everyday look to help blend out any look you're doing. And then the metallics are really where this palette stands out. Unlike this called Fairfax, one of the most unique shades I've ever seen. It does have multiple different kind of like flips to it. All of these metallics are really beautiful. They are very good quality. I also included a glitter in here, so there's different textures. Do a whole ton with this palette. So absolutely loved this guy. And the blushes as well. I love Colourpop's blush, but the colors really blew me away. They give a good variety undertones. So this one here called Fashion District is a nice kind of nude terracotta bronzy shade. It would be good with a lot of different skin tones. And then Juice Bar, which the Fashion District was matte, and then they have this one which has a bit of a shimmer to it. It really doesn't show up a ton. It just kind of gives it a little bit more of like a satin finish, like a little bit of that healthy glow. They're very pigmented. I love the difference in color, and they both actually tie in really well with the palette. Quality, the pigmentation, the blendability, absolutely love them. The next thing that I fell in love with this month, and this actually I'm wearing today, is the Benefit They're Real Magnet Mascara. I used to love the original, but I actually love this 1,000,001 times more. It is more volumizing, it's more lengthening. It does give you a little bit of that chunkier lash look, but it doesn't make your lashes look clumpy. It just gives them a little bit of a thicker look. So if you don't like that look, this might not be for you, but I typically don't like that look, and I love this. I'm wearing it today, so as you can see, my lashes look really long, really separated. It really separates the lashes. If you want to see a more in-depth review and see it actually applied compared to the original, I'll link that below as well. I've used it almost every single time I've done my makeup since I tried this for the first time. I'm telling you, the technology behind it's very unique. Core of the brush is magnetic, and the formula has magnetic minerals within it. As you pull the wand through your lashes, it pulls the formula up, so it lengthens your lashes really well. And the last product in today's video is actually from my BoxyCharm box. It's the KAB Cosmetics lip oil. So this is in the shade Rum Punch, which is a nice like pinky red, but they are very sheer. It's barely any color to it, so it just gives you a very slight wash of color. It is a lip oil, but it also kind of feels like a gloss, and it looks like a gloss, so I actually use it as a gloss quite often. The biggest reason I love this is the feel of it. It smells so good. It has, this one at least, I don't know if they smell differently. This one has like a rum punch smell, like almost like Malibu, like that coconutty tropical scent. Absolutely delicious. It feels like heaven on your lips. It's not sticky, but it's also not really oily or really thin. It gives enough consistency that it feels comfortable. Really, in my opinion, hydrates your lips. My lips get dry quite frequently. Like I actually have had this in my purse ever since I got it because I like to have it on the go. Like this is what it looks like as a gloss. Is it not stunning? It just gives you like a beautiful hydrated wash of color. It makes your lips look so juicy. It's my favorite on its own because you really feel the nourishment and the benefits of it. Like it lasts a long time as well. So really love this guy as well. So that is all that I have for this month. I told you it's very short and sweet. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment below if you have any favorites that you've been loving this month. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. I appreciate each and every one of you. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.